You really don't need to have 10,000 followers to make money online. You don't even need multiple social media platforms either to do so. You can make money with your very own Facebook group. Yes, your own little digital neighborhood, and a strategy that makes people feel like they belong to a community of people, of like-minded individuals. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn that group into a stream of income that keeps running even while you're asleep. Because most creators are sitting on a gold mine and they have no idea that it's right there in front of them. So stick around until the end, because once you understand how this works, you'll never look at Facebook the same way again. You know how social media can feel like screaming into the void, like nobody's listening. You post something great, you know it's great, and the algorithm says cute, but no one is going to see that. Facebook groups flip that script. Groups are more intimate. When people join, it's not random. It's intentional. They want to be part of your community. It's like a cult of like-minded people. That's how I would explain it. They raise their hand and say, yes, I want this. That's power. That's community. Inside your Facebook group, there's no algorithm burying your post. No shadow ban nonsense. It's just you, your people, and the conversations that really matter. Every post becomes a direct line to folks who already know and trust you, or at least want to know and trust you. And when trust exists, selling doesn't even feel like selling anymore. It feels like you're helping them. That's why I call Facebook groups digital goldmines. That's what they are. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand what I'm saying. They're filled with warm audiences ready to buy, to connect, and to grow with you if you build them the right way. And of course, when you provide value, they will notice you. Now, here's the painful truth, though. Most Facebook groups are graveyards. You've seen them. Someone gets excited, opens up a group, posts random memes, maybe shares a few links, and then nothing. Nada. But a few likes, maybe thanks for sharing, comment, and that's it. Why does that happen, though? Well, it's because they skip the foundation, structure, and trust. Monetization only happens after community and not before. And some of them want it to happen real fast. Think of it like neighborhood block party. Yeah. Have you ever been to one of those? You can't just show up with a price tag and expect everyone to buy cookies from you. No. You've got to introduce yourself first. Make people feel comfortable with you and give them a reason to show up again and again. Once you have that in place, turning engagement into income becomes easier. Because guess what? People don't buy from strangers. They buy from people that they know and trust. They buy from connections. Now let's build this thing together. Let's go on a little ride. The first move is to define your group's purpose. Every thriving group has a crystal clear promise, or should have. What transformation are people coming for in your group? Maybe it's helping freelancers land clients, or teaching single moms how to budget without losing their minds. Whatever it is, make it painfully specific. Let me tell you my story. When I first started my diabetes support group, I didn't say we're going to talk about health. Instead, I said we're learning how to lower A1C naturally after a recent type 2 diabetes diagnosis like mine. The people who needed that message, they found me fast because it was laser focused. And it announced to them that I went through the same thing that they are going through. So I could personally relate, and so could they. Once you know your purpose, you build a welcome system that converts visitors into real leads. When someone joins your group, they're not just another profile picture. They're a potential customer and future fan. The first few minutes matter most, though. Ask smart entry questions. Offer them a free guide or checklist that ties directly to your niche and your experience and your story, if you have one. And then you're going to follow up with a warm welcome message or DM that gives them the freebie and links them to your email list. Boom. You just turned a random group member into someone you can reach outside of Facebook to. Do you get the drift? All right. So now you've got to keep that energy going, though, with weekly consistency that trains your group to stay active in engaging, commenting. Pick certain days for motivation, education, and engagement. Maybe Monday is going to be a day where you drop an encouraging story. Midweek, you teach something practical. And maybe Friday, you spark a conversation and get people commenting. When people know what to expect from you, they're going to show up automatically. All right, so next comes the part everyone skips, and that's showcasing your offers without sounding like a walking ad. The trick is to weave what you sell into conversations naturally. Maybe someone asks a question and you respond, I actually break that down step by step in my guide. It's in the featured post or the pinned post if you want to check it out. That one sentence sells without feeling salesy. I hope you're getting the drift. So what you're going to do is you're going to pin a start here post in your group somewhere up top that includes your story, your freebie, and your main offer. Don't hide what you do. Frame it as a resource, not a sales pitch. And here's where it gets exciting. Create members only perks. People love feeling like insiders, like VIPs. So maybe they get early access to your new ebook or a discount on your coaching program. Or maybe access to a small private circle where you go deeper into that subject or topic. When they see value, exclusivity turns into loyalty, and loyalty turns into sales. But don't stop there. Collaboration is another secret ingredient that most small creators overlook. Bring in another expert for a live Q&A or a mini training inside your group. You can promote their product with an affiliate link and earn a cut from the sales that they will receive while giving your members free value at the same time. So everyone wins. And remember, engagement equals income. Every thank you, comment, or DM that says this helped me is an open door. Follow up. Be genuine. I'm glad that helped. If you want the full checklist, I've got one that goes deeper. That's what you would say. Respond to the DM or the comment. That's how conversations quietly turn into conversions. Now, if you want to learn all the ways content creators like us make money outside of YouTube AdSense, because let's be real, the money you get from Google AdSense cannot pay your bills unless you go viral. So grab my ebook, 40 Epic Ways to Make Money Outside of AdSense. It has the exact strategies that I use to create multiple streams of income. And Facebook groups are just one of them. You'll find the link in the description, so grab it now and thank me later. Trust me. Okay, so once your group is rolling, we're moving on. Start stepping into other communities, other Facebook communities, but not like a spammer dropping links all over the place. Instead, you're going to be the helper, provide value, be the person who answers questions, shares tips, tell your story, and genuinely contributes. People will start noticing you. They're going to tag you when similar questions pop up. They'll click your name, see your group, and join because you already gave them value for free. That's how authority is built. Not by shouting, but by showing up. And here's the beauty of this system. When your Facebook group grows, your brand grows. You stop begging algorithms for attention and you start owning your own traffic, your relationships, and your revenue. And that's what I'm talking about. Your Facebook group becomes your community hub where you test ideas, you launch offers, and you build raving fans that trust you. And you don't need huge numbers of followers either. I've seen creators with fewer than 300 members that make 4 figures each month. Because guess what? They serve those people well. That's the kind of freedom you're chasing. I know. The kind no platform can take away from you. So here's your mission after today. Start your Facebook group. Define your promise and build your rhythm. Every conversation could be your next sale, and every new member could be a lifelong supporter when you create more products. Your next income stream might not come from YouTube, AdSense, or views. It might just come from a single Facebook comment or Facebook post. If you found value from this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss my upcoming video where I'm going to share how to make money from Facebook content monetization program. That one will be an eye-opener, I promise you. Remember now that in 2025, community isn't just about connections. Community is the currency, and that is what a Facebook group offers. You don't want to sleep on this one. See you in the next video. And if you have to play this video again to understand, all the details that I'd suggested, listen to it over again and share it with others who may want to start their own Facebook group. Because listen, what I realized that a Facebook group is, if you have a passion, if you have a story that will resonate with others, if you want to use your story and your platform to help others, Facebook group is your best move. I know what I'm talking about. So make sure you go create that Facebook group, but make sure it's specific to your story, your niche, your experience, and your skill, or your skill, I should say. Take care now, and thanks for watching.